The Wankhede versus Aryan Khan debate continues, and now there's a face-off that has escalated between the two parties, with Sameer Wankhede taking the issue to the Delhi High Court. But the Delhi High Court has junked Sameer Wankhede's defamation plea against Aryan Khan's Bads of Bollywood. The court held that the plea was not maintainable, asking Wankhede to amend it. The Delhi High Court asked Wankhede's lawyer to move application before the registry for relisting. The former NCB official had filed a defamation suit, if you remember yesterday, against the show, showing him and his image as maligned, according to him. Netflix has also been accused in Sameer Wankhede's plea for broadcasting a quote-unquote false, malicious and defamatory video from the Red Chillies entertainment team. Nupur now joins me live on that story. Nupur, what are we expecting in the coming days on this face-off? We're expecting that amendment also, as I mentioned. Take us through what happened in court and what to expect next.
Vedika, as you rightly pointed out, that the Delhi High Court at the outset, just at the beginning of the hearing, clarified that as the petition, the way the plea has been filed, first of all, it does not necessarily falls in the Delhi High Court's jurisdiction, as the series is made, in fact, in Mumbai, and asked Wankhede that why he has moved Delhi. However, Wankhede's lawyer maintained that he has been defamed in the series, and especially in Delhi, he gave this logic, and he pressed that his case be heard here in Delhi. Now, High Court, however, was of the opinion that as he has filed, the way in which he has filed, the way in which he has raised arguments, they are not maintainable in High Court, in the Delhi High Court, and has asked him to file a fresh petition with some amendments and come back to the court for a fresh listing. And for now, the court has refused to entertain the petition the way in it was filed by Wankhede today.
Nupur, thanks for joining us there. We, of course, will keep coming back to you for more on that story.